Reduce belly fat in just 1 week with this homemade drink. Belly fat is an extremely dangerous type of fat. If you have too much belly fat, you have a higher risk of Alzheimer's disease, heart attacks, hypertension, and even cancer. But this homemade drink can successfully remove fat deposits from the belly. When paired with a controlled diet, you can get a flat stomach without starving yourself. The first ingredient of this recipe is celery. Celery is very low-calorie vegetable. One large stalk contains only 10 calories. Celery is also high in fiber. Fiber swells inside your stomach, which helps you feel fuller for longer after eating, ultimately facilitating weight loss. Additionally, a study has shown that increasing fiber in the diet is an essential component of a weight loss regimen. Now, take 1 stalk of celery and cut it into pieces. Put the celery pieces into a blender. The next ingredient of this recipe is apple. Apple's impressive fiber content makes it a great weight loss food. A medium-sized apple contains about 4 grams of fiber, which alone accounts for 16% of recommended fiber intake for women and 11% for men. Fiber slows digestion, which keeps you satiated and prevents you from eating on other fattening and sugar-laden foods. In the long run, this aids in weight loss. Apples are especially abundant in pectin fiber that helps reduce the body's absorption of excess dietary fat. In addition, the fiber also feeds the healthy gut bacteria, thus helping to boost the metabolism and facilitate weight control. Now, take 1 apple and cut it into small pieces. Put the apple pieces into the blender. The next ingredient of this recipe is spinach. A major element to check when trying to lose weight is the calories in every food item. Spinach is extremely low in calories, making it a great choice. In fact, a cup equivalent to 30 grams of raw spinach leaves is 7 calories. This can help you cut down to 500 calories per day intake, which can result in losing weight within a week. In addition, spinach contains a high content of water and fiber that helps in better digestion and absorption of food. Due to this, your metabolism will stay in check and you will lose weight. Now, cut the spinach into 2 cups until they are full and tight. Pour 2 cups of spinach into the blender. The last ingredient of this recipe is lemon. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which helps burn fat quickly. They not only help in weight loss, but also help reduce the risk of heart disease, anemia, kidney stones, digestive issues, and cancer. Now, take one lemon and cut it in half. Then, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the blender. Finally, add 200 ml of water. Cover the blender and blend the ingredients until smooth. Next, place a fine mesh strainer over a large cup and pour blended mixture into it. Then, press the pulp down with a spoon to get the juice into the cup. Pour the juice into a serving cup and enjoy it. To get maximum benefits of this juice, it is recommended to have it once or twice a week in the morning.